Hi, in this video we will unboxing the Rode SC7 patch cable. So what this cable is allow you to use the Rode microphone together with your mobile phone. So let's see what is inside this box here. So I just ordered this one online. This cables cost you around $20 Australian dollars. If you order it overseas, it might be a little bit more expensive. So I'm just trying to open it here. So inside this box, just this basically just this cable here, and is the configuration. So we can unplug that. And you can see this is the Rode microphone, and it has the cables. This is the original cables that come together with the Rode microphone, and you can see here this is the cables. It's designed for the camera only, so we plug into that, and then on the other side we plug into the camera, and you can see this cable here is different compared to this one. So when you try to plug the Rode microphone into your mobile phone, such as the Samsung Galaxy S9 I have here, it basically will not record very well. Sometimes it might not even work. So you need to have one of these cable, the patch cables, for it to work. So we will test it out. So what I'll do is I'm going to plug the original cables in, and I'm going to plug into here. It won't even fit into because of the case, so I'm going to need to take the case out. And I'm going to plug it in. I'll turn the microphone over, and I'll just unplug that. And then I'll start the camera, and I'll do a test recording. This is a test. This is a test testing the Rode microphone. Just gonna stop there, and you can see when I plug in, it doesn't recognize that something is plugged in. So what I'll do, I'm gonna plug this cable in. So I'll plug this cable into the microphone here. Right over here. And then I'll plug this one into the phone. And then we'll try it again. Testing, 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 testing. Now when I start to record, you can see it's a recording with an external microphone. You can see it here. So when I press on the record button, it's a recording with an external microphone, so it can recognize. Now testing, recording with an external microphone. Testing, recording with an external microphone. Testing, testing, testing. So that's it. So that's the cable right there. Let's replay it. It's a recording with an external microphone, so it can recognize. Now testing, recording with testing, recording with an external microphone. Testing, testing, testing. And here is a sample recording without the microphone on my phone. This is a sample recording without the microphone. So recording with an external microphone, and that's it. So if you want to using the Rode microphone, you need to record it using the patch cable. Without the patch cable, it will not work at all, and your phone will not recognize an external microphone. Thank you for watching this video. It's a recording with an external microphone, so it can recognize. Now testing, recording with an microphone. Testing, recording with an external microphone. Testing, testing, testing. So recording with an external microphone, and that's it. So if you want to using the Rode microphone, you need to record it using the patch cable. Without a patch cable, it will not work at all, and your phone will not recognize an external microphone. Thank you for watching this video. And here is a sample recording without the microphone on my phone. This is a sample recording without the microphone.